Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my idea on what the market is currently doing. Alright, so I'll be analyzing the boom and crash, how I personally do my analysis on the boom and crash market in order to have a profitable entry. Alright, so if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end and don't skip any part. Alright, so the first thing I do is that before I start doing my analysis, I will first of all go to the higher time frame in order to get the overall view of what the market is doing. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame and see what the market is doing. Alright, so here on the daily time frame, what I can see here is that the market is currently in an uptrend, alright, based on the daily time frame. Right, the overall trend here is an uptrend. Okay, so now I will go down to the 4 hours time frame. Right, so here on the 4 hour time frame now, you can see that we are currently in a downtrend based on what I can see here. So we are currently in a downtrend. Alright, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame so that we have a better view. Okay, so this is what's going on right here. Alright, so having drawn this, go down to the 30-minute time frame. So currently on the 30-minute time frame, you can see that we are in a downtrend, right? We are in a downtrend. So what I will do here is that I'm going to put in some horizontal. Okay, so what I'm expecting price to do now is to go to this area and then start bouncing down again. Alright, but if it doesn't, because the overall trend of the market currently is an uptrend, okay, so there might be the possibility that price will go up, retest, and then continue going up. Alright, so these are the two ways currently price is going to react to the market. Okay, so now this is how I will be taking my entry based on this. Now, based on what I'm seeing here on the 15-minute time frame, alright, I'll wait for price to get to this zone. So whenever it gets to this zone, alright, I'll go down to the 5-minute time frame. So here on the 5-minute time frame, I'll wait for a break of structure, right? So I'm going to be waiting for price to break this structure, right? To break below this before I take my entry. So once I see that price gets here, close below it, right? I see a spike showing the retest, right? Then that is when I will be taking my entry and then I'll ride it to this area here, right? That's to show you that the break of structure is to show you that yes, the price have fully changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. Alright, so I'll wait for the retest, then I'll take my entry. Alright, so that is how I will be taking this entry. Right, but if it doesn't go our way, if it doesn't go down, then you wait for it to break this structure, retest, and then you wait for that structure above there to be broken above, then you take your entry from there, just like I've shown you in the 5-minute time frame. Alright, so you apply the same method there also, and then you are good to go. Okay, so this is how I personally take my entries, and this is how I personally do my analysis in order to get better results. Alright, so if you are getting value from this video, don't forget to smash that like button, give the video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be drawing the curtain here now. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Silver.